Oh, now here's a complete road catastrophe. Let's see what FSD does. We got paper in the road too, so we'll go around that. That's good. Leaves blowing at us. Well, one leaf. Slow down. Little brake tap. So we got equipment that was running next to us. FSD's on the opposite side of the road now with oncoming traffic. So it feels quite comfortable going through here. Let's see how she does here. Yeah. Absolutely perfect. Good grief. Very comfortable. And windy out there. Good on the left, good on the right. And we'll just leave the cameras going as we drive north. A little better camera angle.
Oh, there's a little redirection.
See if that works. It does. Let's go back into chill.
Up he's turning. Guess we'll just wait here for a minute.
There's a shaking going on there.
Is there some kind of homes they're building here?
See it will drive straight through Lochbuie this time. May or may not. Somewhere it's swerving at night. Maybe saw something on the road, kind of came over there. Man, that thing. At night. Oh. Good, so I'm going straight hill. like to slot from going through town. You have to do that for the speed limit. The speed limit's 25, and we have to go the speed limit for here.
Yeah, I'll just do that. See what the phone looks like. It sure bounces around a lot. I'm suspecting that will just cause audio noise. That'd be helpful. Adjust mirrors.
Okay, I think we can go up to chill now, and we'll be fine. Chill will do a couple miles an hour over the speed limit. Oh, sleepy today. She knows how to drive on a brand new road now, though. This was just completed a day or two ago, and it's in it or so. Tesla's FSD can drive anywhere, pretty much. Doesn't need a road. Roundabout navigation with humans that don't know how to drive a roundabout. Come on! Okay, here they go. FSD can figure it out okay. Humans struggle with it. Little bumpy on this road.
Rerouting around somebody here coming home.
Save dash cam footage. Oh, now here's a complete road catastrophe. Let's see what FSD does. We got paper in the road too, so we'll go around that. That's good. Leaves blowing at us. Well, one leaf. Slow down. Little brake tap. So that equipment that was running next to us. FSD's on the opposite side of the road now with oncoming traffic. So she feels quite comfortable going through here. Let's see how she does here. Yeah. Absolutely perfect. Good grief. Very comfortable. Oh, a little bit of indecision there about which lane to pull into. This one would be acceptable, but it's not her normal way to go. So she's taking me to the front as she usually does, which is completely fine. When somebody else is driving, you really don't care how they get there. Good job. No running into the things that humans normally run into. Let's go ahead and go down here and park. See where she puts us. So this is good. Yeah, this will work. Plenty of room here. We'll go with this.